In this tutorial, we will learn how to issue a credit memo. The first step is to have the invoice which you need to issue the credit for displayed in the detail view on your screen. I'll double-click on the spreadsheet listing of invoice 0007, which I created in a previous tutorial. On the detail view of the invoice, there is a lock in the upper right corner of the form. This lock must be unlocked to proceed with the conversion to the credit memo. If you notice that the lock is closed, click on it once to open. Then click on the Transaction Convert button, and a window displaying your available options will open. Select Credit Memo and proceed. The Convert Transaction window will open, listing the works from the invoice. Click the checkbox next to the listing to which a credit is being issued. I will check both listings. Please note that if there were other charges listed on the invoice in the Miscellaneous tab, such as framing or shipping, there would now be an opportunity on a secondary window to credit those charges as well. Click Finish to display the credit transaction. Complete the form, shipping the works back to your designated location. Right-mouse click in the Ship To field to open the Contact Selection window and choose your location. Once the credit transaction is processed, you can continue to document the credit by clicking the top buttons, adding notes, as well as shipment information. You can also enter secondary credits to this transaction, such as a frame cost, by entering the name of the charge in the type field, then a brief description, and then the value in the amount field. If you are also refunding the tax, click the checkbox in the tax column. This will all be added to the credit total. When you have completed the details of the form, click the Shipped checkbox, which will change the location of the work records. To view the changes in the data file, click on one of the listed works, then the question mark that appears. This will open the detailed display of the inventory record. Viewing the work record, we can see the inventory color field is now green, designating an available work. The location field has updated to the returned shipped location. Then clicking on the Activity tab, we can view the list of transactions. Here you can see the transaction history for the work. Each listing is a link to that particular transaction. Close the work record to return to the credit transaction. Open the link to the contact record by clicking in the Credit To window. On the contact record, click the Statistics tab to view the linked transactions. In the Work History section, the invoice and credit transactions are automatically linked to the contact record. You can scroll across the record to view the information. Click back on the Contact button and save your work. You have now completed the process of issuing a credit in the data file. I hope you found this informative. This is Michelle, signing off for now. Thank you for visiting our Artsystems video series. For more tutorials, please visit our website www.artsystems.com/tutorial.